Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and I'm in front of a beautiful one-bedroom apartment, and this is at the Peregrine Apartments in Las Colinas. The Peregrine Apartments in Las Colinas. Hey, this is an open. It's not a model. It's an open one, but this is going to give you an idea of what the one-bedroom looks like. I'm showing off the hallways. The hallways are really clean, crisp, clear, so I really like that. And now let's walk in. So let's see it. There's a keyless entry, by the way. It's a really cute apartment. Love the look and the feel here. It's just gorgeous. It's got some really pretty island here. It's a good size island. It's got plugs. It looks very, very cool. And it's got a nice kitchen here too. It's got some luxurious, this is quartz, looks like. Really pretty white cabinets, a lot of cabinets. You've got some open cabinets too, kind of an Italian, European look, and some really pretty wood looking cabinets too. This is also a Whirlpool, so it's got this four doors on the fridge. Love that. And just really pretty appliances in general. It's a beautiful look. It also has a really nice lighting. The lighting is pretty, and you know what? Gold is back in, so it's got this gold look. And then this is what it looks like in the actual apartment itself. So pretty, very really nice, and beautiful, beautiful feel. Now this is overlooking the front. There's the leasing office. We were there, and then here is what the floor looks like. Very gorgeous. Hey, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to get a Zoom or a FaceTime tour or a live tour set up, I'll take care of that as well. It's a part of our 100% free service to take care of you always. So send me a text. Just use the number below. And we're going to do a part 2. We're actually going to walk into the bedroom and bath and just do a quick 1-minute video in there too, so you can see that. So stay tuned for that.